In this video, we're going to talk about how to use a food scale for weight loss. First step is we got to find the right one. There are a wide variety of food scales available, but a digital display makes the best choice and are fairly cheap. Second, we got to learn how that baby works. Reading the user manual can teach us tips and tricks on how to best use our food scale so we can optimally measure our nutrition goals. Third, we got to turn it on and zero it out. Before we weigh our food that we're about to eat or track, we will need to zero that food scale out. Fourth, we got to adjust our units. So whatever serving size we're measuring in, whatever it may be, like grams, ounces, millimeters, we got to be consistent with that when we put it into our food tracker. Next, we're just going to place the food on the scale, whether it's cooked or uncooked. That's up for us to decide based on our food tracking, but we got to properly measure it out and record the number of servings we will eat. Sixth, we gotta log and track that food. After successfully weighing our serving of food, we log and track that into our nutrition app for accurate calorie and macronutrient values. And that's your 6 simple steps on how to use a food scale for weight loss. If you're serious about losing weight, be sure to check out the links in the description.